Hello friends, hope you all well. You must be wondering why I am here today. Why not Leia? But Leia is a bit busy with her school studies and all. So let's start today. I'm making avocado toast or avocado sandwich. So let's see how to make it. I'm using here multi-seeded bread, but you can use any bread of your choice. But this bread is really healthy and tasty as well. Then we need one avocado and we need to make paste out of it. Some ground black pepper, pinch of salt to taste, a wedge of lemon or lime you can take. I have taken 2 eggs. First we need to boil the eggs, so just put eggs in the water and boil it. Add 1 spoon vinegar in it so eggs will not crack while boiling. We're gonna make avocado paste, so first peel off the skin and then make small pieces out of it. Then squeeze lime on it. Sprinkle some black pepper powder, some salt to taste, and then mash it well. You can use fork or masher and make a nice paste out of it, just like this. Now we need to toast the bread, so toast it in the toaster or on the griller or even in the pan, you can do it. Bread is toasted well, so let's take it out and spread avocado paste over it. Spread it evenly on the bread. Then cut boiled egg into the slices like this and place it on top of it. See, here avocado toast is ready. If you want to make sandwich, you can just place another slice of bread on top of it and then cut it at the center, and the sandwich is ready. This is really very easy and healthy recipe, so you do try this recipe and write us in comments. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.